Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator with a keyboard. We will begin by understanding the fundamental controls. You will learn to manipulate the aircraft's pitch, roll, and yaw using specific keys. We will also cover how to manage your engine's power, adjusting the throttle for smooth acceleration and deceleration. Finally, mastering camera views is crucial for observing your surroundings and making informed decisions throughout your flight. Now, let's master the critical phases of takeoff and landing. For takeoff, gently increase your throttle to 100% power, using rudder to stay centered on the runway. Once airborne, maintain a steady climb rate, perhaps around 1,000 feet per minute. For landing, reduce your airspeed to about 100 knots, deploy flaps, and aim for a gentle touchdown on the main landing gear first. Practice makes perfect for these maneuvers. Next, we will explore navigation and the autopilot system. You can navigate using the in-game map and by adjusting your heading bug with keyboard inputs. To reduce workload, learn to engage the autopilot, which can maintain your aircraft's heading, altitude, or even follow a flight plan. Understanding how to set and adjust these autopilot parameters, such as an altitude of 5,000 feet, is key for longer, more stable flights. Finally, let's discuss advanced tips and customization. Consider remapping key bindings to suit your personal preferences, making controls more intuitive. Regular practice of maneuvers like steep turns or stalls will significantly improve your manual flying skills. Always remember to plan your flights thoroughly, including fuel calculations and weather checks, to ensure a realistic and rewarding simulation experience every time you take to the virtual skies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.